Okay, hi, I'm Mr. Oh Ming Yeo. Okay, I'm going to go through DC circuit question 3. Okay, we take a look at this circuit, right? It's a bit more complicated than question 1 and 2 because it consists of a 3 ohm and a 6 ohm in parallel. And this parallel branch, right, is in series with a 4 ohm resistor. Okay, so now let's look at the question. Okay, first question, we need to find the total resistance. To find the total resistance, basically we have to find the combined resistance of this parallel branch using the I1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 formula. Then after that we have to add it to the 4 ohm resistor because they are in series. Okay, so now let's find the combined resistance of this parallel branch first. So 1 over RP is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. So this will give us 1 over 2, and we can say that the resistance of the parallel branch is equal to 2 ohm. Okay, next, to find the total resistance, right, we can just add 4 ohm and this combined is 2 ohm, so it will be 4 plus 2, it will give us 6 ohm. Okay, so now combined resistance is found. We move on to question 2. Find I1. I1 is the current here, okay, going into 4 ohm resistor. So you can see that I1 is the current that flows in the main branch. So in this case, right, we can say that I1 is equal to the total voltage over the total resistance. Total voltage will be 6 volt, and because 6 volt covers the whole branch of resistor, right, we take the total resistance here. So it will be 6 over 6, and we say that I1 is equal to 1 ampere. Okay, if I1 is equal to 1 ampere, right, we can find question 3 what is V1, V2 and V3. To find V1, right, we can just use the formula V1 is equal to I1 times R. The current that is passing through 4 ohm resistor is 1 ampere, and the resistance of the 4 ohm resistance is 4, so the voltage is 4 volt. Okay, and as we can see, this is actually a series connection. So for series connection, right, we say that all the voltage, they must add up to 6 volt. So in this case, V1 plus V2 or V3, it must be equal to 6 volt. So V2 is basically 6 volt minus 4 volt, because we know that this is 4 volt. So V2 must be 2 volt. And V3 must also be 2 volt. And V3 is the same as V2, must also be 2 volt. Okay, the reason why V2 and V3 they share the same voltage, right, is because they are in parallel. Okay, and now we have all the voltages across the individual resistor. We can find what is I2 and I3. I2, it will be equal to V over R, and voltage across 3 ohm, it will be 2 volt, so 2 over 3, so we will get down here 0.667 ampere. Okay, for physics, please be reminded to put your answer in decimal, corrected to 3 significant figure. Never put your answer in fraction because marks will be deducted. Okay, and for I3 is equal to V over R as well. So it's equal to 2 over 6, and this will give us 0.33 ampere.